students, today I am going our chapter 5 derivative in your example number 13. Students, this property it is our logarithm property, and all logarithm property already I explained in the last part. So here I going to that type numericals in derivative sections. So in example 13, find the dy by dx in this whole terms. I just taking given terms is raised to half because a root given and other is same as it is by 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Now I start derivative, but first taking log on both sides. So taking log base e on the both side. So you getting the students here log y base e, and here is a log of your full value as it is raised to power 80. So internal values x minus 3, x square plus 4, 3x square, 4x plus 5 is the same as. Now students, this half power 80 you just make outside, and internal functions apply the property of logarithm. So log y is that. So students, here half log of this as it is x minus 3, x square plus 4 and 3x square plus 4x plus 5 as it is. Now students, property into then convert the additions, and division then convert into subtractions. So I just get out only log y base e half same, and this part is a student's log of first into then plus log of second, and divide then subtraction log of 3x square 4x plus 5. Base e same, here also base e and here also base e. Now students, I start the differentiation with respect to x, then I get dy by dx. So here derivative, what is derivative of log y? Yes, 1 by y, and y derivative dy by dx, half as it is, and here do now log function derivative. So log derivative, you know that 1 upon x minus 3 into our x derivative is only and only 1 and 3 derivative 0, same as here derivative. Now log function derivative 1 upon x square plus 4 into now internal derivative. What is x square derivative? 2x and 4 derivative 0, and last one for this function derivative minus 1 by 3x square plus 4x plus 5 into now this internal derivative. Here internal derivative students 6x plus 4 and plus 0. So finally you get just value dy by dx is how many? Y by 2, because this y upon I just convert the right side there, and here remaining my value 1 upon x minus 3, here 2x by x square plus 4 and minus of 6x plus 4 by only and only 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Yes students, here up to our done this numerical. Now wait, then apply the value for y. What is the y value? This value fully y. I just put it here 1 by 1 dy by dx. So half, and y value is a whole value for root x minus 3, x square plus 4 upon as it is into this whole portion. Students, same as just I show out. So here you getting our 3 marks question done. So students, numerical done, no doubt. But in exam, this question also asking maybe in this form. Sometimes dy by dx given in the missing letters A, B, C, D wise. So this answer also already given in the answers. Also, here extra I just taking dy by dx given in this form, just like y a upon b upon cx plus d upon another data is same. So you also carefully calculate in this types question if you given in this pattern and find out a plus b plus c plus d. Yes students. So you calculate till up to these equations. Yes, this one. And check here, it is y by 2. But in given question what? Only y by 1. It means this 2, you multiply the inside. 1 by 1. So what you get? A, B, C, D? Yes, this equation I just represent in this way. dy by dx. Y say upon 2 I just multiply that 1 by 2 x minus 3 same as here 2x by 2 it means 1 x by x square plus 4 and these 2 also divide that so here plus internal just minus 3x minus 2 by 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Students, why I written here plus? In according to question here plus given. So I just converted this minus 2 inside and 6x plus 4 divided by 2. And now check out what is the total value. A plus B plus C plus D. A just check out to according to question. A is what? Half. B 1. C minus 3 and D minus 2. It means students you calculate this full up to that, convert in this form and then after little calculations it is half. 3 minus 2 minus 5 and 1 minus 4. So 1 minus 8 by 2 minus 7 by 2. This answer is done. Okay. Sometimes here different constant given. Y by maybe a 5 given. So you divided by 5 here each terms. Here divided by 5. So multiply 5. Here multiply 5. Here multiply 5. Then A, B, C, D change. So any kind of given that values you just try and A, B, C, D calculate and here students happily done these questions. Same as students, I going to 31. Y is equal to A raised to x where A is a positive constants and asking that our derivative dy by dx. So here base and power given variables form students a constant and variable. I taking log with the base e. Necessary students base e taking on the both side. So here log y base e, here log a raised to x to the base e. Now this x carry forward. So you get just log y base e x into log a base e and start our derivative rule easily. Differentiation with respect to x. So d by dx of our log y and here d by dx of yes same as x into log a to the base e. And now start our product rule. In this product rule, but here chain rule. What is log y derivative? 1 by y and y derivative dy by dx. Here operate first, second derivative plus second first derivative by our product rule. Now students over sum because here 1 by y dy by dx same and here x. What is log a derivative? It is 0 because constant and here log a base e, x derivative x respect to it is only 1. So what you get dy by dx? My dy by dx answer is this y. I just multiply upper side and here 0 plus log a base e. Finally putting the value of y. So dy by dx. Y is what? A raised to x log a base e. That's my answer to this numericals. Yes students. Now same that type question extra you also try it and derive the direct answers just like d dx of 5 is to x. Can you guess answer? Yes, 5 is to x log 5 to the base e. If you given d dx of that type different 8 raised to minus x. So same as here 8 raised to minus x same into log 8 base e into minus 1 because the minus x derivative is pending in the derivative of that minus 1. One more, if you given d dx of that type 5 raised to minus 10x, then also valid for in this way 5 raised to minus 10x same into log 5 base e into now derivative pending for minus 10x it is minus 10. Yes students, I hope you understand what I taking to that type functions. One more I taking, see d dx of 8 raised to minus 3x. So what is answer? 8 raised to minus 3x same into log 8 base e into what is coefficients for x? Yes, see minus 3. So these answers are different. Maybe you direct try in that MCQ level. Either this numerical you try by this method taking logarithm and calculations. It's very simple and easy. Same students, now I am moving ahead. Next one, our question number 32 example. Here also base in power x and sin x both are variables. So I start by logarithm taking both side with base e. So here taking log of base e both the side because you are taking that different taking log function with base e on the both side. Finally this log x the value sign according to property wise students make the outside. So log y base is same and here sin x into log x to the base e. Now students this consider it is u and that consider it is v. Apply their product rule and here our composition. So chain rule differentiation with respect to x and that values is our easily I operate that. So here apply log y derivative 1 by y and y derivative pending dy by dx and this side apply the product rule. First d dx of second plus now second d dx of first. Only operate students you applying the product rule. So 1 by y dy by dx same as and here sin x. Now what is log x derivative? Yes, 1 by x plus here sin x derivative how many value? It is cos x. So you just getting dy by dx this y convert right side. So sin x by x and here cos x into only and only log x is as it is. Yes, numerical done. Only y value you putting. So dy by dx. What are you getting? This y. Students already known x raised to sin x. And other are sin x by x plus other value same cos x into log x. And that's our our answer. To base e necessary you show out. Now up to that students over. Same numerical you tried extra for better practice. ddx of I known x raised to sin x, here apply cos x. You try itself. Same as ddx of x raised to tan x. You try itself. ddx of x raised to cot x. All trigonometric functions that type you just derive. And last one ddx of x raised to sec x. Only one example given in your book, but you made the more practice but that types are different questions and build up your confidence. Now next numerical students, example 33. It is a very most IMP questions. So you first of all highlight IMP. Question is there, y raised to x plus x raised to y plus x raised to x is equal to a raised to b. Actually here students it is probability value for you, just suggestions. It is a first of all u, that suggestion we just possibility for v, and here just taking to w, and here constant, so it is derivative 0, and u, v, w all I one by one make the derivative. So start first. Suppose u is equal to y raised to x, v is equal to x raised to y, and w is equal to x raised to x, and one by one you start the derivative. So what you getting here, u plus v plus w is equal to a raised to b. This statement applying the one. So you start first our u side. So for u, my value is a y raised to x. Base and power both variables, so apply log. Base e log with base e, and this x you just carry forward according to property. So log u base e, here x into log y base e, and start differentiation with respect to x. So what you get, log u derivative 1 by u, and u derivative as it is du by dx. And here apply our product rule. First, second derivative plus second first derivative, going to our product rule. So finally students, here 1 by u du by dx, here I get the value. First log derivative, after that y derivative. Log derivative is a 1 by y, and y is a, yes, dy by dx. And this side log y same. What is x derivative respect to x? It is 1. So you get value du by dx, u into x by y into dy by dx plus log y to the base e as it is. Students, this du by dx actually derivative of this part that I put it after that, and here I make just statement number 2. If you put in the value of u, then also better. What is value of u? Y raised to x. So I just one more step apply. What is the u? Y raised to x, and here same as x by y into dy by dx plus log y, and better here apply statement 2. Now I start second case for u after now v. Yes, what is the v? V is our x raised to y. So for v is equal to x raised to y, same apply, log to the base e, here x raised to y to the base e, this y take right side upper, and same application to apply our logarithm parts. So you just get value log v to the base e y into log x base e and start again differentiation with respect to x. It means here log v derivative 1 by v pending respect to x, it is dv by dx, and here operate students product rule, first second derivative plus now second first derivative. This derivative is also apply I respect to x because I want at the ending of dy by dx full value. So 1 by b dv by dx same, and here apply students our basic derivative. So value y same. What is log x derivative? 1 by x, and here same is into dy by dx similarly. Now this v multiply upper side, you get just dv by dx v into y by x plus same as log x base e into dy by dx. Now finally this v already you know x raised to y. So students, the value is applied. It means dv by dx, what you get? X raised to y into y by x plus log x base e into dy by dx. Here make statement number 3. It means students, your u derivative over du by dx, v derivative over dv by dx. Now I start our third case. It is w. W known already. What is value for w? Yes, value for w is our x raised to x. So I start that w. Now third case, it is x raised to x. I think you know students x raised to x derivative. X raised to x 1 plus log x. But in exam you necessarily show that proper derivations. So here apply log w base e. Here log x raised to x to the base e, and this x raised to x just I carry forward outside. It means log w base e. Here apply x into log x base e and start same principle, differentiation with respect to x, and I just derive dw by dx value. So here 1 by w derivative respect to x is dw by dx, and here apply our product rule. First d by dx of second plus second d dx of x. It is a big numerical, students, and this full value 1 by 1 I just derive. So 1 by w same, dw by dx, and what is log x derivative? It is 1 by x, and here log x base is same, and d dx of x is only 1. This also done. So what the dw by dx? W into 1 plus log x base e, and here students I just operate w value. It is known how many? X raised to x. So finally done, dw by dx, it is x raised to x 1 plus log x base e. Here getting statement number 3. Now students, second, third, this equation taking statement number 4. My mistakes. Second, third and fourth, and start now numerical, our basic numerical. What is the original sum over? That original numericals I just start here. So if question is there, what is question over? Question is x raised to y raised to x plus x raised to y plus x raised to x is equal to a raised to b. These are your standard questions, and already I am taking that u, v, w. Up to that already I explained statement 1. Now I start differentiation with respect to x. So here du by dx plus dv by dx plus dw by dx, and here d dx of a is to be constant term, and constant term derivative known. Students, check here, du by dx is this, dv by dx is this, and dw by dx is this, all value. I already pending that in roughing, the total values are applied. So what is du by dx? Y is to x, x by y into dy by dx plus log y base e plus du by dx is this, x raised to y, y by x log x base e into dy by dx, and dw by dx is this one, and all value I just put it in the respectively terms, and after that I define the answer dy by dx. Students, these are value for dw by dx. So here I operate x raised to x 1 plus log x base e, and this answer is 0 because it is constant. And here now I start finally find out value of dy by dx. So students, this dy by dx is my target, but these are productive. Y raised to x, x by y raised to 1 plus y raised to x log y base e, because I multiply it. Here also same multiply, x raised to y, y by x plus x raised to y log x base e dy by dx, and last case the same is x raised to x 1 plus log x base e. So students, I think you know that base same, polarity if you here given in division form, it is subtractions. Here also these are the subtraction form. So I just show out that here y raised to x minus 1 into x dy by dx. Side by side this also written dy by dx, x raised to y log x base e with dy by dx. Students, this dy by dx and that dy by dx I just make the combine, and other is same, y raised to x log y base e plus here also same, base same, polarity in subtraction wise, so here y minus 1 into y, so this value I taking combine, here as it is, here as it is, and this also as it is. Now students, my target achieved dy by dx, and common taking in these both values, here are this dy by dx, this dy by dx, common in this form too. So you just get out dy by dx common, and what is the remaining? I hope you understood. Y is to x minus 1 into x plus x raised to y into log x base e, that the common, and these three portions left to right side translate, minus of y raised to x log y base e, x raised to minus 1 into y, and here x raised to x 1 plus log x base e, and now this total value carry forward to downs there. So what is the dy by dx? Yes, dy by dx is equal to minus, these are as it is, so very carefully write y raised to x log y base e plus x raised to y minus 1 into y plus x raised to x into 1 plus log x base e upon this, upon a total case to divide there. So y raised to x minus 1 into x plus x raised to y into log x base e, and here our done, our textbook answer, students. But sometimes in exam this question also asking to different level, so I going to here different level to extra for you only. Find dy by dx at x1 y1 cases. It is a particular data given. So you x1, y1 if you are applying, then you this full value attach here and define the new answers. So I also moving ahead to same as in the x1 and y1 cases types answer. So my dy by dx, students, your textbook numerical done here. Up to that I just move ahead to extra. x1 y1 apply that. So here minus 1:1 log 1 basic, 1:1 minus 1 into 1, again 1:1 into 1 plus log 1 upon 1:1 minus 1 into 1, same as 1:1 into log 1. I think you easily understood and easy values. So here how many log 1? Log 1 is 0. 1 raised to anything? It is 1. Here log 1 is 0. So 1 plus 0. Upon here 1, log 1 0. It means your value is 1 and 1 2 minus 2 by 1. Yes. That cases is a minus 1 by 2. Sometime in exam asking students in different value also derive dy by dx at e comma e. Because here e comma e, here apply e comma e is log e base e is also 1. So I one more explanations explain in the extra level. You write down all this in your notebook. Dy by dx at e comma e. It means students x is e and y is e. My answer is here e raised to e log e base e raised to e minus 1 into e, and e raised to e 1 plus log e base e upon here same as e raised to e minus 1 into e and e raised to e log e base e. I hope you know log e base e is 1. So e raised to e into 1 plus e raised to e minus 1 into e plus e raised to e into 1 plus log e base e 1 upon here also same. Can you add these the numbers? Yes. E minus 1 plus 1 and here e raised to e log e base e 1. So my answer is e raised to e plus here base same power-ity addition e raised to e and 1 and 1 2 and upon here e raised to e plus e raised to e. Finally this also done. This cancellations. So how many total? 2 times e raised to e, 1 time e raised to e and 1 time e raised to e. It is 2, 3 and 4 times your e raised to e upon here also total you getting 2 times e raised to e. This cancel. So my answer is only and only minus 2. That time in JEE levels questions asking for in exam. So students here done. Maybe if you hear a different asking, then you make the values. Sometimes EE, 1E, either 1E, either E1. So you try that types for extra numericals. Okay students, here I have done this part, and further explanation students in logarithm parts in exercise 5.5 I explain you in the next part. Thank you. Bye bye.